On today's video, we have a Helping Hands product from the company, which I have a hard time pronouncing, Novsbig. Excuse my butchered pronunciation, but it is a helping hands when you're working on stuff and soldering. So we're gonna build this piece together because there's quite a bit of things in here that come in the box to help you achieve your welding, soldering, helping hand solutions. So let me go ahead, unbox all of this, put it together, and see what's in this box and see how it could help us become better solderers. So as you can see, I have my helper, Stormy the helper, but we are going to assemble this piece by piece. So the first piece I'm starting with is installing these bases, which will act as like a little nice cushion, because this magnetic plate is no joke, guys. It is solid. So basically, now it is nice and sturdy. Look at that nice engraving we have right there. Beautiful. Let's get on to the next step. The next couple pieces are these very interesting circuit board holders. So you could place it on there, magnetic, of course. You can move it around depending the size of your board. Your board goes on top and then it's nicely held there. Awesome. Next, we have these nice clips that come and are mounted onto the board with this magnetic, hard, heavy duty magnet. Okay, look at, just listen to the sound of this. We're gonna simply put this in. Comes with little screws that go into the side right there, and that's gonna help hold this in place. So as it's holding your wires, it's not gonna be slipping out and moving around. Very ingeniously thought out. Now I know why they call it Helping Hands. I think the star of the show is this magnifying glass that has a built-in multi-temperature LED light, which we will plug in and test out. That is absolutely wild. And the way it mounts to this is so solid. And the last piece of the puzzle is this monster claw that could hold various items for you as you need it to hold. Look at that smooth operation. Wow. Multi-flex adjustments. Pretty sweet, guys. Pretty sweet. All right, let's try to put all this together and do some soldering. All right, so as you can see, the light is on at the lowest setting. I'm gonna brighten it up. Full brightness right now gives us a nice light. Let's change the color. Nice cool blue, kind of in between, yellow. Very nice, very nice. And then, you know, look at that. I can see what I'm working on if I bring it closer or further away. Awesome. So let's get this set up. I got a couple cables. I'm gonna use the Helping Hands, these guys right here, to help me hold these wires in place, and we'll get some soldering done. Let's just have a look at this beautiful freaking setup. How sturdy it is. Nothing's wiggling around. It's not moving. It's being held in perfectly in place. I could pull over my glass, see what I need to see with better precision and good lighting. Let's go ahead. I'm going to try to film this one hand and solder with the other. Wish me luck, but I'm going to show you how well this system works, and it's highly recommended. All right. So I have some tin. I'm going to tin this up. Okay. Then I'm going to try and do this one-handed while looking through the camera to tin up this piece right here, which didn't go so great. All right, now that I have everything in place and I'm very zoomed in, all I need to do is apply a little bit of heat. Which I need to turn up my heat apparently. Let's go to 700. Okay, it's heating up. And we are connected. Nice solid connection. I'm gonna move my second wire into place with my helping hands. Guys, and keep in mind, I'm filming this up close with one hand and soldering with the other. Where else can you do that without helping hands? Nowhere. Just like that. We are connected, guys. Look at that. Solid, easy, with the help of helping hands. Look at that beauty. You thought we were finished? No, no, no. Look at this. We got a second sand of mini helping hands that come pretty sleekly packaged in this little package. You have a nice yellow mounting plate here. And just like the big kit, you have all your small helping hands. This kit is actually what I should have used for that small project. But look at that. You have your mounting plate. You have these two small little holders, right? So you get two of those. Then you have two big arm boys, followed by two little mini swivel ones. This is where you put your solder gun so it doesn't burn the table, and it neatly packages into your package right here. Like, absolutely freaking awesome. Link will be in the description below. Check it out for yourself. Have a good day. See you later.